In this video I will show you how to turn any video into live wallpaper on Windows 11. For this, go to search and type Microsoft Store and then select it from the list. Then under search field search for Lively Wallpaper. Then select Lively Wallpaper from the list. Then click on Get to install the Lively Wallpaper on your Windows 11 machine. Just wait for some time to install this. Then click on Open. This will open Lively Wallpaper application as shown here. Then click on any video you want to set into wallpaper. If you get this, click on Yes button. You can see live wallpaper in action. Click on Add Wallpaper button to add video as wallpaper from your computer. Click on Choose File. Then select your desired wallpaper you want to set. It will load that video here. Click on it and then give any name to it. Then click on OK. Then it will load that into wallpaper. You can see here. You can click on any video and it will apply to the wallpaper. In this way we can add any short video into wallpaper on Windows 11. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.